and happy Thursday. I hope you all are doing well. I wanted to pop in here and kind of talk about what I'm working on right now. So I have a pet portrait commission that I'm working on of a black cat named Frank. He's super cute. So in my sketchbook I have just been practicing painting cats because it's just been a little bit since I've painted a cat, so getting used to doing that again. And I also have it sketched out on the final canvas that I'm using. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the background today so that can start to dry, and then I'll get started on painting him. Then I also got another order for a custom marine life painting, and I'm super excited about this one. It is a Christmas gift, so I'm not going to go into too much details about it, but you guys will see me working on it here and there. I had the first set of ornaments already ship out, so I kind of want to think about a few more designs maybe to add on, and they won't be custom. They'll just be whatever painting I decide to put on there. That'll be it. But I have larger ornaments, so I think I want to try to get another design up for that. So that is the goal for today and tomorrow. check in. I'm hungry, obviously, and just want a snack, so I'm making brownies. Jake doesn't like brownies, so I'm not gonna eat the whole pan tonight, but it's all for me. It's fine. So, let's make some brownies and get back to work. I also wanted to show this to you guys real quick. Before starting a pet portrait, I like to start out with just some basic sketches, get the layout, get the different poses figured out that I like and that the client is looking for as well. So I sent these over to the girl who's ordering the custom painting, and she likes number 2 and number 4. So I think we're gonna go with number 4. I think the composition is just a little bit more interesting and a little bit more playful. And he is a little bit more of a chunky cat, so it shows like a little bit of a lazy side. So I think that'll match up with him really well. Hey guys, and happy Friday. So my sketches for the aquarium piece that I'm working on got approved yesterday, so, well, late yesterday. So I have that to get started on. I'm also going to be working on painting the background in to my pet portrait, and I also have another ornament design that I want to work on today as well. Alright, let's talk Netflix. So, rumor has it that that 70s show is up for renewal in 2020. So they might end up taking it off of Netflix. First, they take Friends, and they take The Office. Like, please don't take my show. What else is there going to be to watch on Netflix? You're going to have 17 different accounts. You got Netflix, you got Hulu, you got Disney Plus. Showtime's coming out with one. Everybody's coming out with one. I miss the simpler days of just Netflix. But I hear Disney Plus is pretty good. We'll see. But still, please don't take my show. Alright, so I've been working on this ornament here. It's this burgundy color, and it obviously needs another layer, but that is where I'm at right now, and I'm gonna make the deer a olive green color, and then I also want to have another option, and the colors will be reversed, so the ornament will be the olive green, and the deer will be this burgundy color. So that is it for this week's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.